Can you believe that November is already here? So what is doTERRA's free product of the month for November? And what holiday items are now available? And how do we use them? My name is Caroline Lee, and I'm a wellness advocate with doTERRA. And I'm so excited for what this month has to offer. So let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, here's what we've got planned for you. The free product of the month. Now, when you're a member with doTERRA, you have the option of creating a loyalty rewards order every single month. So this is an order that will go out on the same day every month unless you change it. And you can put whatever you want in on the order, and you get a lot of rewards back. You can get your shipping back, you can get additional points earned, and then you can cash that in for free product. Well, one of the other benefits of this program is you can actually qualify for a free oil depending on how much you have on that order. So for us, for this month, if we do a 125 point order on our loyalty rewards program, between the dates of November 1st and the 15th, we will qualify for a free bottle of Clove. So this is a 15 ml bottle. You'll definitely want this one. Now, Clove has a warm, soothing aroma that's actually perfect for this cold weather that we have coming in as the seasons change. It's rich in antioxidants, and it's actually one of the most powerful essential oils that we have. And you'll find Clove in one of our most popular blends, that On Guard Protective Blend. So you don't want to miss out on the opportunity to receive the free 15 ml Clove for free when you place that 125 point loyalty rewards order by November 15th. Now, fun fact, Clove buds have a rich tradition in Chinese practices dating back thousands of years. So let's talk, some of the ways that you can use it. On the screen right here, you can put it in a veggie cap to help with immunity. You can massage it on your legs with lotion. I highly recommend diluting this. This is a hotter oil, so you definitely want to dilute it. So if you don't have the unscented lotion, use that fractionated coconut oil. It's going to help increase that circulation. You can also, it's great for your oral health. So when your teeth or your gums are needing some extra support, you can help use this oil, again, with some fractionated coconut oil right on the gums to help with any discomfort that you might have. And you can also diffuse it. We're going to give you lots of diffuser recipes on the next page. And then you can also gargle it with some water to help soothe a sore throat. So again, Clove is one of those hotter oils, so make sure that you dilute it before using it topical. Now, I wanted to give you some fun ways to use this oil. I mentioned that it's great for diffusing, so there's lots of diffuser recipes. These ones are, especially this time of year, we use a lot of cinnamon and clove in our baking, maybe even some ginger. So we get, just by smelling it, we get into the sense of the season. And so this is some great ideas. The pumpkin pie recipe, the ginger sap, the clear the air are all wonderful recipes. And yesterday with Halloween, we were super foggy here. It was totally perfect for Halloween. But this morning we woke up to a very foggy morning, and this would have been a perfect one to put in my diffuser. 2 drops clove, 2 drops of cypress, and 2 drops of peppermint. I also wanted to give you something really fun. This is a pumpkin floral centerpiece. So I actually have in my on my table, sorry, my cuckoo clock's going off. I'm gonna let that go here. So I have in my on my table in my centerpiece, I actually have pine cones and cinnamon bark on there, but you can also do it with some floral. So I wanted to do something fun with our cinnamon and our clove, and then you can make this beautiful floral centerpiece for the holiday time for this fall season. Super easy, simple. Anyways, here are the directions for you. Let me know in the comment section if you try it out. I would love for you to drop a picture of it. It's just something fun that you can do using your clove oil. So again, you can earn this free bottle of oil by doing a 125 point order on that loyalty rewards program. All right, for anybody, they can take advantage of the 10% off of our stronger 10 ml roller ball. So this one is just for the month of November. you can get 10% off of this. And this actually is an amazing essential oil blend. We're going to talk in the next slide of what's in it, but let's talk about ways that you can use this. Now, this is part of our kids collection, but that does not mean that you have to be a kid to use this. I love the smell on this. This is another alternative to using the On Guard protective blend, but you're going to use it in the same way. You're going to apply it to the bottoms of your feet for daily immune system boost. I also like to put it along my spine. You can just put some on your hands and go ahead and smell it. It's got some oils that are going to be very soothing and calming for your nerves. You can also use it for sleep. Did you know that? You can apply it to soothe your skin if your skin's irritated, or if you need to clean it. It's going to have some very cleansing oils. Again, we're going to talk about that in the next slide. And you can also rub it over your chest to help with your respiratory system. So it's going to be very supportive for that as well. So this is a perfect one as we get into the fall season and we're around family and friends and we're getting, anyways, this time of year. Is going to be a great one to use. So did you know that Stronger is actually pre-diluted, and it's got these 4 amazing oils in it, and when they are combined, they're going to actually remind you to be strong and resilient, and that's why it's called Stronger. It's for emotional and physical strength. So we've got cedarwood that helps soothe your emotions, and again, it's going to be very, very good for your skin, but it's going to help with helping you de-stress, which is common. We get stressed out in this time of year. We have rose that helps balance your moisture levels. So if you don't know, rose is amazing for the skin. That's why we have it Rose Touch, and why we have the rose lotion is, especially this time of year, you may want to put that in your shopping cart as well. We have a Lucidia. That one's going to help again with your skin, but it's also going to help with positive feelings in there. So if you have skin issues, Lucia is really, really amazing oil. And then we have frankincense, and we know how amazing frankincense is. There's so many things that they do, but emotionally, it's going to help with peace and relaxation and some vitality. It's also going to help with our cell health. And so we want our cells to be healthy and strong. And so this is an amazing blend to be used daily, again, with its diluted. It's going to make it super easy to use for anybody in the family. So this one is 10% off. It's going to be wholesale price $14.40, retail price $19.20, and I'll put that link in the comment section in the description. So if you decide you want to get this one, you'll be able to purchase right through the description link. All right, I do want to mention there is an updated product launch. I'm so excited. This has been out. They've been fixing this up for us. It's got brand new packaging that helps reduce plastic by more than 50%. It actually incorporates more PCR material, and there's actually 3 more grams of product in each stick. And so they reformulated to fix the blooming issues that where the methyl was crystallizing. So this is the oil, it hasn't changed, but just a little bit of that consistency that it is in the stick has been improved and everything. So you're definitely going to want to get this. I went ahead and put 2 in my order because this is something that we use a lot. We sometimes don't want to get the oil on our hands. So this stick allows it so it can go nice and gently onto the chest or on the back, or even on the feet if you wanted to, but it's very convenient. You can travel with it and just put it on really quick. So I love, love, love this one. This one is going to be the new wholesale pricing is $9.25 for the members. Retail price is $12.33. I'll go ahead and again put this in the description link. So if you want to get this right off the YouTube channel, you can just click on that and then add that to your order. All right, the last thing, no, I'm sorry, I snuck this in. So I just want to let you guys know that the Metapower products, you can start adding these separately to your orders. And in fact, if you add that to your Life on Vitality supplements or the daily nutrient pack, you can actually get them at a greater discount by customizing your supplement program. So just wanted to let you guys know that you can buy these all separately. I actually added, I had my Lifeline Vitality supplements, and then I added the Advantage right here on the right. And then I also added the Assist with the Beadlets. That is a combo that you can add as well. And I was able to save even more about $40, $50 just by doing that. So, but you can buy these separately now. All right, the last thing I want to talk to you about is the holiday 2022 product launch that started today. And this one allows you to find a perfect gift for everyone that's on your list. We know how stressful holiday shopping can be, and that's why every year doTERRA is super thoughtful about curating a collection of products that's going to make the holiday shopping fun for you. And we want everyone to be part of the doTERRA family. So we have designed something for everyone in our product lineup. So the holiday products are limited time only, and there's a limit of 4 per account. And you can see the different price ranges that are going to be here. We've got items that are $16 and under. We have prices that are from $17 to $30, and then we have ones that are from $38 to $66. So these are based on the wholesale prices. So our retail customers, there'll be different prices. And in the description later on today, I will put links for all of the products that are available, so that if you decide you want to purchase one or you want to learn more about it, that will be down below for you. But launching right now, November 1st, we've got the Holiday Joy, the Holiday Peace 15 mLs. We have the Blue Lotus Rollerball. We have the Midnight Forest 15 ml. And then we have our food cuisine blends. So we have the Mexican, the Italian, the tropical, and the new Thai cuisine. And then you also have the cuisine collection if you want to get all of them. We have the Mala Mama 15 ml and the Bath Bar and the cream. They're all separate. You'll be able to buy the trio all together on November 14th. They had a package delay on that one. You're also going to have the Huga room spray, the Holiday Peace room spray, the essential oil storage case. That's really pretty and purple. We have the Train diffuser and the Stronger 15 ml. I'm so excited. I actually bought 3 of those. I give away as baby gifts, so I'm really excited. And that one actually has a train whistle, and it looks like a real train steam. It's really kind of cool, and it has a night light. And anyway, super excited about that. We have dark chocolate, and we have the Soul No. 3 personal aroma, and that's coming out today, November 1st. Again, mid-November, we're going to have the Malama collection, where you get all 3 of them together. And then launching December 1st, we'll have the Diffusing Garland, the Majestic Lore personal aroma, the Canana personal aroma, the Midnight Forest gift collection, the aftershave, and body wash. That's a lot. So if you want to learn more about the holiday products, check out my YouTube channel. I did a video all about this just a few days ago, and you can watch and learn all about the products and when they are going to be available. So just FYI, that is available for you. And as always, I'm here to help you with your essential oil needs. So if you're ready to get started with the essential oils, just message me. I've got a great welcome package for you. If you just want to learn more, follow me on YouTube. Consider subscribing to my channel, and we can learn together and explore the world of essential oils. With that, have a fabulous November and keep oiling.